Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be playing Build a Tractor. Because I really like these build games. They're like really fun. I don't know what we're gonna play next, honestly. Leave down in the comments if what we should play next, actually. Cause I wanna play Fortnite, but just Fortnite's kinda getting boring a bit to me. But I'm really liking these build games. Oh. I didn't know that would happen. Let's see what we can buy. Let's save up for a shredder. Yay, let's just go in a straight line. Probably gonna post 2 videos today. So, I don't know what we're gonna play later. Dang, that guy's got fuel. Okay, bet. Oh, dang it. Whoa, wait, let's go join the group. Tractor games. Build a tractor. Let's play this. Okay, now let's go get a reward. Okay, so 1. Whoa, wait. Fuel. Shredder. Let's buy another shredder. And then shredder, block, wheel, and then, oh, so they're supposed to go on the front. Will it work like this? No, it won't. Pick up that one, put that one. Okay, this is better. Ah! Guy's going fast. Huh. Don't have enough money. Or better yet, I'm gonna pick up that one, block, and then wheel. Hi, noob. That's your turn. Epic music. Ooh, I can buy a strong shredder. I think I might save up for that. What are quests? Buy 15 parts, play with a friend, craft 5 parts. Okay, that craft, not craft. Let's go see how to craft. Engine. Could actually do this. But how much is the engine? Because I think there's an engine in here. There's actually not. I don't think. No? No, but let's buy another shredder. No! Bro, no, I wasn't even cutting. No! Let's just go straight. Like, straight line. Should we play Taco Tuesday? Steal Burnout? I think we should. Wait. Okay. One there. Bet. That's a lot of money. Okay, we're gonna buy that. We'll make around 100 per round. Nice. This game's peaceful, basically. We need one more shredder. When does it restock? Oh, 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go until I have enough for something that I need. I don't have enough. I had just enough. Okay. I'm gonna ram into him. No, don't run into the tree. That's a lot more fuel. We could make 140 bucks. Let's see. Huh? What? Lunar? Lunar Crate is over here. What? Oh no. Okay. Flock. Fuel. I think we're slower, but we have a lot more fuel, so we'll get a lot more money. Oh yeah. Exactly 160, nice. Instead of buying that, let's save up. What's this? Oh. Let's save up for, or better yet, I'm gonna just buy double fuel. Yay! We're making money! A lot of money. That was a lot. That was nice. I think I must save up for this. Let's try and think we're gonna end the video once we get onto that platform over there. Okay. Let's go buy this. Or no, we need to do. I don't have enough. I'm gonna get this. Yay, we're cutting grass a lot faster now. We're also moving a lot faster. Like how the better wheel you have, it doesn't take up more fuel, or it might. Yeah, it does, never mind. just keep on running. Because I'm trying to save up for something else now. Why didn't I get as much? That's weird. Whoa, 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 wait. Whoa, 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 wait. I've got a plan, I've got a plan, I've got a plan. This is block, double fuel, strong wheel, wheel, wheel. Oh, I'm not as fast. Wait, is this actually strap? What do I get for finishing this? I earned 3,000. I didn't know that I earned that for completing it. Okay. Let's buy that. Buy that. Buy that one. 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 Okay. Oh, wait, I'm filming. Sorry, I wasn't talking. My bad. I wasn't talking for a while. My bad. I was so concentrated on building this. Thought I was just playing. Look at that. We're gonna make it. Yes. Yes. Okay. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. That's it for today's video. Bye-bye.